स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग मैथ्स पेपर 2 का चैप्टर नंबर 5 इंडेक्स नंबर सीखने वाले हैं। दिस चैप्टर इज़ वेरी इजी। ओल्ड सिलेबस में 11th स्टैंडर्ड को ये चैप्टर था। ओके, इन दिस चैप्टर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज टाइप्स ऑफ इंडेक्स नंबर। देयर आर 3 इंडेक्स नंबर। फर्स्ट, प्राइस इंडेक्स नंबर। सेकेंड, quantity index number. Third, value index number. So next is base period. The base period is indicated by subscript 0. For example, base year price. It is denoted by P for price, and for base year subscript 0 or suffix 0. Second is current period. The current period is indicated by subscript 1. For example, current year price, it is denoted by P for price, and for current year subscript 1 or suffix 1. So here is 2 years are given, year 2004, year 2008. So this is current year 2008 and this is what 2004 is a base year. So in this example, 2004 is base year and 2008 is current year. So in short, for base period, use the notation subscript 0, and current period, use the notation subscript 1. Here are some notations. First notation P0. P0 means what? Price of a commodity in the base year. See here, P for price, and I already told you 0 is for base year. Second is Q0. Q0 means what? Quantity of a commodity in the base year. Q for quantity, 0 for base year. Third, P1. Price of a commodity in the current year. P for price and 1 for current year. Fourth one, Q1. Q1 means what? Quantity of a commodity in the current year. Q for quantity, 1 for current year. Fifth one, W. Weight assigned to a commodity according to its relative importance in the group. Here, weight is given in the examples. Okay. Sixth one, I, simple index number. It is also called the price relatives, and it is given by I is equal to P1 upon P0 into 100. Now see what is P1. P1 means price of a commodity in the current year upon P0 means price of a commodity in the base year. So you have to remember all these notations. Next notation is P01. P01 means price index for the current year with respect to the base year. Now see here, P01, 1 for current year, 0 for base year. So current year with respect to the base year. Next, Q01. Q01 means what? Quantity index for the current year with respect to base year. Q for quantity. Q for quantity, 1 for current year, 0 for base year. Next is V01. V01 means value index for the current year with respect to base year. V for value, 1 for current year, 0 for base year. Now next, so I think all of you clear all the notations. Next is construction of an index number. There are 2 methods of index number. First is simple aggregate method, and second is weighted aggregate method. Simple aggregate method से हम लोग फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 5.1 सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. So for 5.1 you need only first method, and weighted aggregate method से हम लोग 5.2 and 5.3 सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. Next, we will start first simple aggregate method. First method is simple aggregate method. In simple aggregate method, there are three formulas. First is price index number, second is quantity index number, and third is value index number. What is formula for price index number? Price index number is equal to, notation is price index number is P01. Formula is equal to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. Summation P1 means what? Sum of all current year price. And summation P0 means what? Sum of all base year price. So how to remember this? P01 is equal to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. Second formula, quantity index number. Quantity index number, quantity for Q01, this is notation, and formula is what? Summation Q1 upon summation Q0 into 100. Sum of all current year quantity upon sum of all base year quantity. And last formula is value index number. What is value index number? Notation for this is V01. Summation P1 Q1 upon summation P0 Q0 into 100. This is third formula. All of you clear this? Go to next. अभी हम लोग एक्सरसाइज 5.1 स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. In exercise 5.1, first example, find the price index number using simple aggregate method in each of the following examples. Example number first, use 1995 as a base year in the following problem. They are already given 1995 as a base year. Okay. Now see our first. See this example. And commodity PQRST are given. Price in rupees in 1995 are given. Price in rupees in 2000 are given. So what is solution of this? First, make a row as a column. So write commodity as it is, commodity PQRST. Price in rupees in 1995, price in rupee in 1995 as it is, and price in rupee in 2000, price in rupee in 2000 as it is. Okay. Now see what is we want to find? Find the price index number. So what is formula for price index number? Price index number is given by P01 is equal to summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. Now summation means what? Sum of all numbers. But what is P1? P1 means 1 for current and P for price. Means here we need current year price. And P0 means what? Base year price. Use 1995 as a base year. Means this is your base year and this is P0. This notation is important. Okay. And what is 2000? 2000 is a current year. So this is most important thing of this example because first आपको current year price और base year price क्या है वो आना ही चाहिए. उसके बाद हम लोग example solve कर सकते हैं. We need summation P1 means sum all of this number. Summation P0 because base year price and this is summation P1 current year price. Now put both the value in formula and simplify. So what is next step? Now put the value in formula. P01 is equal to summation P1. Summation P1 is what? 182 divided by summation P0. What is summation P0? 109 into 100 and calculation of this 18200 upon 109 and final answer is equal to 166.97. You have to calculate this at home. Okay.